It's morning here at Lake Shelby, and we are having such an incredible time with these views of nature, being right out here by the lake. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. We've got our tent behind me and everything. We woke up this morning and it was freezing. We actually had frost on the outside of our tent. It got in the 30s, upper 20s this morning. So a little colder than what we were expecting, but we were really warm in our sleeping bags. But we're kind of cheating, and we got into the car. Matthew's up there right now with the heater on to warm up a little bit. So yeah, this is our first camping trip together. So we're still learning a lot, but it's just incredible to be out here in this beautiful weather. There's a lot of geese and a lot of ducks that we heard this morning. They were kind of our alarm clock, but they're really pretty. And pretty soon we're gonna try to get a fire going and start pancakes. So more to come.
Video number 2. There's a fire now. We were having some trouble. Last night there was some condensation. Actually, everything was frozen when we woke up, including the car, including the tent. It was 28, 29 degrees when we woke up. And yeah, we learned a valuable lesson not to leave the firewood by the fire pit when it's gonna drop to 28 degrees and everything's gonna frost up, because that makes the wood wet and the charcoal. So with Kristen's help, we got this fire going. So we're just gonna try to get it going a little bit more so we can get our breakfast going. Good job, Kristen. You're welcome. It might take a while in this small little pan, you know?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna attempt to cook this bacon over the fire. But it's sizzling, so that's a good sign.
It's a good sign.
So we're on our last day of our camping trip here at Lake Shelby, and the weather happens to be perfect. We woke up and it was actually really warm in our tent. But last night as we were sleeping, we got more of that frost. It got really cold. But as you can see, it's sunny. See that sun rays coming through. But yeah, we're about to take the tent down and leave this beautiful place. But Matthew and I have decided this is definitely not going to be our last camping trip. So there will be more to come really soon, and we'll get that footage. So see you guys next time.